Best car phone holders provide safer driving, hands-free navigation, secure device stability, and convenient access for calls, music, and charging. My today's video is about top 5 best car phone holders that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Anduri Car Phone Holder. This car phone holder delivers an impressive blend of durability, flexibility, and convenience for daily driving. The 360 degrees rotating base and dual-axis metal arms make it easy to achieve the perfect viewing angle for navigation, calls, or media control. Its foldable design keeps the dashboard clean when not in use, while the sturdy construction remains smooth and stable even after extensive use. The upgraded vacuum suction system provides exceptional grip on dashboards and windshields, staying secure through rough roads, sharp turns, and sudden braking. The powerful 22N55 magnets offer a firm magnetic hold that keeps phones locked in place without affecting signal quality. One standout feature is the circular cooling design, which improves airflow and helps prevent overheating during long GPS sessions or charging. Installation is fast and effortless, with wide compatibility for MagSafe and non-MagSafe devices. Overall, this mount combines strong performance, premium build quality, and practical everyday usability. Now our second product is iAudi Easy One Touch Signature Dashboard. This car phone mount stands out with its practical design, strong stability, and user-friendly operation. The patented Easy One Touch mechanism makes mounting and removing your phone incredibly simple with just one hand, which is especially convenient while driving. The automatic locking arm securely grip the device, giving confidence even on rough roads or during sudden stops. Its wide compatibility is another major advantage, easily fitting smartphones of various sizes, including devices with bulky protective cases. The upgraded telescopic arm offers extended reach from 5 to 8 inches and pivots 260 degrees, allowing flexible positioning for comfortable navigation and hands-free calling. The magnetic cord organizer is a thoughtful addition that helps keep charging cables tidy and within reach, reducing dashboard clutter. The adjustable bottom foot adds extra support and stability, ensuring a secure fit for different phone sizes. Overall, this phone holder combines convenience, durability, and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for everyday driving. Our third product is Lamicall from MagSafe Car Mount. This magnetic car phone holder delivers impressive stability, convenience, and premium build quality for everyday driving. Equipped with 20 upgraded N52 magnets, it provides an exceptionally strong magnetic grip that keeps your phone firmly secured even during sudden braking, sharp turns, or rough road conditions. The enhanced magnetic layout noticeably improves holding power while maintaining quick and effortless phone attachment. Unlike many plastic vent mounts, this holder features a durable metal hook and upgraded locking mechanism that create a stable connection with the air vent. The compact design minimizes airflow blockage while maintaining a secure fit without adding unnecessary bulk to the dashboard. The one-step magnetic mounting system makes placing and removing your phone fast and convenient, especially for navigation or hands-free calls. Its 360-degree rotating ball joint allows flexible viewing angles for maximum comfort. Wide compatibility with MagSafe iPhones and non-MagSafe devices using the included magnetic ring makes this holder highly versatile. Overall, it offers reliability, durability, and excellent driving convenience. Now number 4, Blooker Car Phone Holder Mount. This car phone holder offers an excellent combination of stability, convenience, and device protection for everyday driving. The upgraded metal clip hook provides a much stronger grip on air vents compared to standard plastic mounts, ensuring the holder stays firmly in place even on rough roads or during sudden braking. Its durable construction gives added confidence for long-term use. The one-handed operation system is highly practical, allowing quick phone mounting and release with minimal effort. This makes navigation, calls, and music control safer while driving. The 360-degree rotating ball joint also adds flexibility, making it easy to switch between portrait and landscape viewing angles without blocking the driver's view. Another standout feature is the soft silicone padding on the clamp arms and support feet, which protects phones from scratches, vibrations, and accidental slipping. With wide compatibility for most smartphones between 4.0 and 7.0 inches, including iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and Motorola devices, this mount delivers reliable performance and everyday convenience. And our last choice is Scotch Magic Mount. The Scotch Magic Mount Dash is a reliable and practical solution for drivers who need secure, hands-free phone access on the road. Its powerful rare earth neodymium magnets provide a strong grip that keeps your phone stable, even on rough roads or during sudden stops. The heat-resistant adhesive base firmly attaches to dashboards and other flat surfaces, improving safety by reducing distractions while driving. One of its standout features is the 360-degree adjustable head, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect viewing angle for navigation, calls, or music control. The cradle-free magnetic design makes one-handed operation quick and convenient, while the built-in cable clip helps keep charging cables organized. The included Magic Plate ensures a dependable magnetic connection, especially for larger smartphones, though it is not compatible with MagSafe devices. With durable construction, easy installation, lifetime tech support, and a 3-year warranty, the Scotch Magic Mount Dash offers excellent value and dependable everyday performance for drivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.